Hello everyone, myself Dr. Basha. I'm a blockchain developer. So today I'm demonstrate my project on layer 2 sidechain project, which is Hyperledger and Fabric and Ethereum combination project. In this project, we have a concept of one user, one NFT, and we will use those user to sign the digital documents in any corporate organization to reduce the cost of the transaction fee. So first, we will log into our system by our PIN code. So PIN code is the help us to sign the use the private key of Hyperledger Fabric user, and because they are encrypted with those PIN. And for Ethereum network, we will need a user token ID or NFT token ID, which is a digital ID of any user. So for verify the user, we will use the hash of the fingerprint, and which will be passed to the Hyperledger Fabric network by the chain link external API called the smart contract. So we will pass those data to the Ethereum network, and Ethereum use the chain link external API call to call the Hyperledger Fabric APIs to get the verification, to get and verify the user fingerprint hash, and generate an NFT, which is a digital ID of that user. So one user have only one ID, and we will manage by checking that the user cannot exceed the balance of from one. So first we will pass the chain link token to the our network, uh, which is go to the our smart contract, and then we will call the function on the smart contract, which is verify fingerprint on Ethereum network. Once it will be verified, so we can see the hash and public ID token ID, and now we can redeem those verification as a token. So after this redeem, we will generate an actual NFT of the digital ID of the user. So once it will be verified, you can see the token ID of the user. So done. So here the token ID of user is one now. So we will create two user, one and two, and we will do a transaction between those. Okay. Okay. So we can go to the our smart contract. You can see the block over here, and we can also check the balance of the user with this wallet address. It is one, and its owner is the same wallet. So now we will create a document which is shared by the two users, which is user one in our Ethereum network, user two. And this document is not going to be mint or create on Ethereum network. We will create those document on uh, Hyperledger Fabric network and store those details on Hyperledger Fabric until all the participants sign the document. We will add more than two. Here we will use only two users. Okay, and we will sign the create document, and we're going to store in Hyperledger Fabric. Now the one user is by he can the creator also can sign as this document, so he can first he can see, okay, he can download the document from the IPFS cluster and provide his PIN code to sign the document. Whenever he do the transaction on Hyperledger Fabric, he will have to provide the PIN. This PIN is used to decode and the private key over there and allow him to do the transaction on Hyperledger Fabric. Okay, so now his signature is over there. Now we can switch to our wallet and do the signature from the user too. Again, he will provide his own PIN code, which is for his private key. Whenever he create first time, login first time, he will create this PIN code. So now he can sign the document. Okay, now we can move to the user. Where first we can see he signed. Okay, signs over there. Now we can move to the user, the owner of the user create document, and the owner of the document, he can log in again with his PIN because the user is changed now. Now he have option for the process the document, so he can process by clicking the process button. Now it those document is going to mint on Ethereum network. The three transactions for create and two signature transactions, though both are going to Hyperledger Fabric to reduce the cost of uh, cost of fee on high Ethereum network to support that network. Okay, so now it is done. So both are done. So this data is came from the subgraph. We are using subgraph over here to get the logs of Ethereum network. So you can put our block number over here. So it is in as it show it is in process. What it will be done, you can see the logs over here as well in ether scan for the Grolly. Now it shows that block is created. You can go to logs. This is the same id of a token id will be the, as a document id over here. So that's all for this project. Thank you.